Hello and welcome to another exciting video on this channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best time to upload your designs for print on demand for a specific holiday or an event. As you know that Q4 is coming and there are a couple of major holidays and events in this season like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, New Year, Christmas. So this is the main time of the year when you get most of the sales through print on demand, and not only print on demand, but if you are doing any other business, so this is the best time for that. Now let's talk about what is the best time to upload a design for any specific event or a holiday. In my opinion, the best time to upload your designs for a specific holiday or an event is about 3 months before the date of that event or the holiday. So for example, the upcoming major holiday is Halloween, and it is mostly celebrated at the end of the October, and now is the start of the September. So still you have 2 months. Although I said that the best time is actually 3 months, it is you can say it is the more relaxing way to upload your designs for a specific event. But if you want to if you are a little bit late, or maybe if there are 2 months left for a specific holiday or an event, you can still upload your design, and chances are that you can get better sales. But if there is only 1 month left for a specific event or an holiday, and you upload your design just 1 month before the event, there are very little chances that you will get any decent amount of sales for that specific event, because if you upload your design, for example, on Much by Amazon or Redbubble or any other marketplace, print on demand marketplace, they actually show your design continuously to the customers that are looking for the specific type of phrases which your design has, or which your listing has. And if you so they are continuously, their system is continuously checking out which words people actually which keywords people actually click for your and they can visit your product, and which for which keywords they actually search, and then if your design shows up but they don't visit your product page. So they actually their system is actually managing all this time and all this thing. And if and what I'm trying to say is that in order to train the system so that your design continuously shows up, it takes time, and 3 months I think is the I can say the best time frame to actually upload your design and start making some sales, because slowly your designs or the products will start showing to those people who are actually going to buy your product, and they are not just looking it and moving on. And so that is the best strategy to upload your designs for a specific event or a holiday. Now let's come to the point about how do you know when a holiday is coming. You actually can know that if there are certain major holidays that are very famous, for example Christmas or Thanksgiving or Halloween, but there are certain holidays about which you don't know when they are going to happen. And there are totally different holidays and events which are only celebrated locally and in some closed localities. So I found out a website where you can find out all the different holidays and celebrations throughout the year for a specific country, or maybe the worldwide events. And let me show you the website. So the website is actually timeanddate.com, and if you go to the home page, you can actually come towards the calendar area, and towards the bottom of this drop down menu, you will be able to see the holidays worldwide. And if you click it, you can actually select all the different different holidays showing up for you can actually search out holidays for a specific country. But as you know that if you're doing Much by Amazon, you are only limited to for Germany, UK and United States. So you can actually search out the holidays for those countries as well. For example, let's go to the U, and then let's select United States. So in here you can actually select the official holidays that you want to make your designs for, or maybe official and non-working days, and different types of categories of the holidays. but I've selected here all holidays and national observances, and you can see that there are a lot of different holidays that maybe you don't know about, didn't know about before this. And so that is the best way to actually find out what holidays you should plan your designs for. And also it will help you niche down your designs for a specific event, for a specific holiday. And that is I think that is the best way to find out the different holidays and observances for different countries, if you are targeting different groups of people, or for different countries. And the other way is that you can take advantage of living in a certain area or some certain locality. If such an holiday or an event is celebrated in that locality yearly, or maybe if they are planning on doing it something new, you can start designing for those events, because only you will know about that event. The people living outside that area or outside that city will not know about that event. So the chances are that your design will sell more, because you are targeting that specific event and there is nobody else, or maybe only a few people who know about that specific event or something like that. So take advantage of these things, and these little things, and hopefully you will make better sales in print on demand business. So that is all for now, and hopefully if you have found something interesting and useful in this video. If so, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified about my future videos, and don't forget to press that bell icon. And thanks for watching.